What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing well and staying safe. This video is more or less a product review video. Today I'm going to try out this Doc Bailey's leather black on my Corvette seats. I saw someone use this on another channel and it seemed to be pretty effective, so I thought I'd try it out on the C4 and we're going to see if it can refresh and restore these seats. As you guys have probably noticed in some of my other videos, these seats are in pretty good condition. There's no rips or tears, so I got pretty lucky. There are just a few spots that have a little bit of wear, but overall they're in really good shape. I'm also going to apply this product to the steering wheel. Got a piece of tape there just so we can compare and contrast the before and after. So we'll see if this can help out the steering wheel as well. So real quickly, I'm going to give an overview of this product. You can apply it to leather and vinyl. Obviously it has to be black leather or vinyl. And basically what it does is it cleans the leather, it conditions the leather, it waterproofs the leather, and it also dyes the leather. So this spot right here should be black by the time we're done and look a lot better. As far as preparation goes, all you have to do is vacuum your seats. You don't have to go through a whole other step of preparing the leather and cleaning the leather to apply this, which is really nice. As I mentioned before, this cleans the leather, so just got to make sure you vacuum. Without further ado, let's get started. So the kit should come with this little applicator pad, the leather black, and then a towel. So what I'm going to do is apply a thin coat of the leather black, and then I'll let it cure for about 10 minutes so it can soak into the leather. And then after 10 minutes, I'll use the towel to buff any excess off. All right guys, I got it all applied. Now let's wait 10 minutes and then buff the excess off. So it's actually been about 15 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and buff the excess leather black off. Quick note, the directions do say for best results, you should let the leather black cure for about an hour. But just for this video, and since the leather black dries so fast, I'm gonna buff it off after about 15 minutes. Okay guys, the excess has been buffed off. Here's a look at the towel after I buffed everything off. As you can see, there was some excess on there. If you feel like this towel is insufficient, you can always use a microfiber towel as well. Again, just note that the directions say for best results, let the leather black cure on the seats for about an hour. It dries pretty quick, so if you just want to do it quick and dirty, you can do about 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and you should be good. Overall, I'm really happy. I think these seats look better. I'm not sure if you can see it very well on camera. It's probably hard to see anything significant since these things were in pretty good shape to begin with, but I'm happy with the overall appearance of the seats. I think it gave them a good refresh. This bolster right here on the driver's side was probably the worst part of both seats. And as you can see, it's all black now, has a nice sheen to it, and I'm happy with it. Here's just a quick before and after. Here's a quick look at the steering wheel. I think it turned out nice as well. Everything is now black and a little shiny. Let's go ahead and take off this tape and see if we can kind of compare and contrast the part that's not done with the parts that are. So you can see a little bit of difference. It's probably not too significant, but I think it looks good. This is a pretty good product. It works really well. It's easy to use. It's inexpensive. I got it for about 15 bucks on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below. I'll also put a link to the Doc Bailey's website. They offer other products. So if you have leather or vinyl seats that are a color other than black, they have a clear leather product that you can apply. But again, I'll link the website below and you can check out their product offering. That's all I have for you guys in this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.